Today we're looking at my 2011 Chevy Silverado 3500 diesel dually. It's a 6.6 Duramax with the Allison transmission. It's a crank, no start. So let's get it in there. Let's see how many miles she's got on her. I don't know if you can see that. 184,701. 35 degrees outside. It's actually pretty warm today. So what we're gonna do is, it's a crank nose start. Let's try to crank it up here. She just cranks. This is all of a sudden, so it's a crank nose start. So when I parked it here, everything ran good. It was right before winter. I think what might have happened is that the fuel system lost pressure. So this particular truck, the 2011 Silverado 3500 6.6 Duramax diesel, has a manual pressure, valve. I don't know. It repressurizes the system by hitting the plunger. If you've ever used one of those handles that you pump up to hold a piece of glass, that is basically what this system is. It pressurizes the system as you pump on it. So let's go out there and see if we can get this thing running. Alright, so I keep my battery charger on it just to keep the batteries charged over winter. So what we're looking at right here is this pressure valve right there. So basically what you're going to do, I mean, you could take this stuff off if you want, but we're just going to push down on it until it gets stiff. You can feel it pushing some pressure now. I don't know how many times to push it, but it's getting harder. You can feel it. So let's go back in and see if we can get that to start. Let's see if it did anything. That's it. Took about 10-15 seconds of cranking and it fixed it. So when I parked this here, it ran perfect. There was nothing wrong with it. So that, obviously, if there's something wrong with your vehicle and you know you go out there to start it, there could be a lot of different things, but that is the issue with this particular truck. So if you're out there, you got a crank nose start, that works for me. I don't know if that means that my system lost pressure or that there's something else going on. I'm sure there's something there. I'm sure the truck isn't supposed to do that on its own. But good luck out there.